everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. Today we're starting a brand new series all about the best Christmas morning breakfast ideas, and we're kicking it off with an easy, hearty favorite, Biscuits and Gravy Casserole. This recipe is made with sausage, fluffy pre-made biscuits, eggs, and a simple gravy packet, making it perfect for a busy Christmas morning when you want something comforting without a lot of work. Let's get cooking and start Christmas morning the delicious way. Start by cooking 1 pound of ground breakfast sausage in a large skillet over medium heat until it is cooked through and no longer pink. While the sausage is cooking, prepare the gravy according to the package directions. Set that aside. Prepare the eggs by whisking 5 eggs and 1/2 cup of milk together in a medium bowl. Open the package of biscuits and cut each biscuit into fourths. Spray a 9x13 baking dish with nonstick cooking spray and arrange the biscuits over the bottom. Sprinkle the cooked sausage over the biscuits. Next, put the egg mixture over the ground sausage and biscuits. Finally, spread the gravy over the top of the mixture. Bake the casserole at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting and serving. Thank you so much for cooking along with me today. I hope you love this easy biscuits and gravy casserole. It's such a cozy, filling way to start Christmas morning. You could even prepare it the day before, place it in the refrigerator, and then bake it after opening presents. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. This is just the first video in my Christmas morning breakfast series, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss the rest of the recipes. See you next time!